Hello class 6th. Today in this module we will cover the other part of the chapter second, that is major landforms. Okay, we will cover here the plateaus. Okay, first we will understand what are plateaus. So plateaus are landforms having flat top surface and steep sides. See, the sides are steep and the top is flat. So these type of landforms are known as plateaus. They are also called tableland. Okay, and you can also see this plateau has elevation and it is elevated regarding the surrounding plains. Okay, that means the plateau is at elevation. This elevation can range from 80 meters to 600 meters and it seems rising from the surrounding plain. Okay, these plateaus can be of different types. First we have intermontane plateau, dissected plateau, piedmont plateau and volcanic plateau. First let us understand the intermontane plateau. If you see here, this is the plateau and it is surrounded by number of fold mountains. So when a plateau is surrounded by fold mountains, this is a mountain and this is the mountain as well. So this type of plateaus are known as intermontane. Inter means in between and montane means these fold mountains. So the plateau is surrounded by fold mountains. This was the intermontane. Next one is dissected plateau. In the dissected plateau, the plateaus are dissected at number of sites by the rivers, or these are eroded by the rivers. You see this plateau? The plateau was originally of this shape, but these plateaus are now dissected at this site and at this site. It has been dissected by the river which eroded these plateaus and formed the dissected plateau. Okay? Third one is piedmont. As the name suggests, this plateau has on one end high mountains and on the other end it can be a sea or it can be an ocean or it can be a plain. So the plateau which is in between the mountain and the sea or ocean, this is known as piedmont. Okay? The fourth one is volcanic plateau, and I will show you in this module how the volcanic plateau looks. Okay, the volcanic plateau is formed by lava, and the the eruption takes place from the volcano, and due to continuous eruption, okay, the number of layers are added, and this volcano originally takes the shape of a plateau. If this volcano takes the shape of the plateau, it is known as volcanic plateau. Even in India, we have volcanic plateaus named as Deccan Plateau. Okay, so this was the classification. 4 types of plateaus are there. Okay, first one is intermontane. Next one is dissected. Okay, when the plateau is dissected at number of sites due to erosion. Okay, third one is piedmont. The plateau which have mountains at one side and on the other side we have sea, ocean or plains. And the last one, that is volcanic plateau. Okay, formed of lava sheets formed of volcano. Okay. So the last question, are these plateaus helpful to us? Are these plateaus helpful to humans? Yes, these plateaus are the storehouse of minerals. Minerals like iron, minerals like copper, minerals like gold, platinum are found in these plateaus. Next point, plateaus have soil, okay, which is very important for the crop. Okay, for example, black soil that is found in these plateaus supports major crops such as cotton, sugarcane, etc. And also these are the sites, plateaus are the sites of different waterfalls and rapids. For example, in the Deccan Plateau we have number of waterfalls. As it is given in your book, one of the example we can have is the Jog Falls of Karnataka. Okay, that is formed within this plateau. Okay, waterfalls, and these are the sites of tourism. Okay, so if we conclude, plateaus are a kind of landform that have flat top and steep sides, or the sloping side. The sides are sloping. These are elevated land. Okay, and from the surrounding areas they seem at a certain height. Okay, the height is not that much of a mountain, but yes, they have a considerable height of 80 to 600 meters. Okay, different types of plateaus. We have intermontane, between the mountains; dissected, when the plateaus are cut by rivers, eroded by rivers; piedmont, between a mountain and a sea. Okay, and finally volcanic plateaus formed of the volcanic eruptions. Okay, thank you.